What's up, my crypto legends? What an insane dip it was yesterday, and thank you very much for the support of yesterday's live stream. Over 8,000 viewers, and I got a huge amount of likes, guys. Massive thank you. Today we are going to discuss the price of Bitcoin. See if we have bottomed out. Are we going to go sideways or are we going to go lower? We'll be checking this out. Also for Ethereum, guys. And remember, if you are interested in trading and you want to support the channel, there's a massive bonus on Femix, okay, up to $2,200 if you use my link in the description, or depending on what you're going to deposit. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will help you out. We'll be also taking a look at this data from Glassnode, okay, and this performance from 2013 and the comparison of today's price, okay, not meaning that this is going to happen, but there is a similarity, and the dips are absolutely healthy for the market, okay. We'll be also taking a look at this tweet from Raoul Pal showing you that, you know, these corrections, these huge corrections of 40-50% are absolutely healthy for the market. So there is a lot of upside, in my opinion, still in this bull market, guys. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. Not financial advisor, don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the chart. Before we start, I want to let you know that on Friday, 4 o'clock Central European time tomorrow, I am doing another live stream, so you can come around. We'll be having a great time, and we'll be sharing your favorite cryptocurrency on the chart. Okay, guys, let's check out to see what is going to happen for Bitcoin in the next coming days. I'll give you my opinion. Technical analysis now is very, very hard because with, you know, this huge drop, this panic sell, you know, we just need to see some price action here for Bitcoin. What I've noticed that we have bounced, okay, from January's low, which was just at the round about the $30,000, okay, right over here. We bounced a couple of times here, so we got a massive bounce around about this area. And, you know, a lot of people that have bought Bitcoin just below the $30,000 range, or even on top of the $30,000, are not selling, are not panic selling, okay? This panic sell is usually from people, newcomers, okay, from 2021 that have bought Bitcoin around this area, okay, in between the $40,000 and the $60,000. And, you know, they just think that they're late to the party, and they think that Bitcoin is going to drop to 10,000, 5,000. So they panic sell thinking that they are going to get cheaper Bitcoin in the near future. But what is going to happen, in my opinion? Well, yes, we might go sideways. We might have another dip here, potentially doing a huge double bottom around this area, or even just sideways action. I don't see the Bitcoin price going below 30,000 to 26,000, for example. There's going to be more buying pressure in the next coming weeks than selling pressure, okay? Obviously, the market needs to stabilize around between the $30,000 and the $40,000, okay? So I think that we are going to be bouncing around this area and going sideways for a couple of weeks to see if there's going to be more supply or more demand. And in my opinion, there's going to be more demand, and in the end, we'll be having a healthy recovery to the upside. So not too much to add up here. If I go to the 1 hourly chart, let's just go close here to the chart for the last couple of days. And we were talking about this descending wedge, okay? I was looking extremely bullish. I was saying, guys, we've got bullish divergence on the RSI, okay? The price is going down, the RSI is going up. The same happened here. So, guys, this doesn't mean that it's always going to happen. You know, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So, but anyway, I was so confident that this was going to have a bump to the upside. I was 60% sure that this was going to have a bump to the upside. But then we've got all this China FUD news, okay, the panic selling, and technicals is worthless once this happens. So, funny enough, we broke to the downside. I was mentioning, if we do not break this resistance, you know, and we break the $42,000, you know, very, very likely we're going to have a severe drop to the $38,000 where the next support is. But obviously panic sell and everything, we went all the way down to $30,000. And the curiosity here is that from this descending wedge, okay, the target to the upside is all the way up here. But the target of the descending wedge, okay, is getting the width, okay, from the resistance all the way down to the support level. And, you know, if we would have broken out round about this area where I was expecting, yes, you know, is the top of the wedge. But if you break to the downside, guys, look where we actually went, all the way down to the $30,000. This is the logarithmic chart, so that's why this pole is getting smaller and larger. So, you know, the width of the descending wedge, and we exactly went all the way down here to the $30,000 range, which was the target of this descending wedge. So just to show you that sometimes technical analysis, I just didn't pay attention to the breakout of the downside. You know, you would have thought in a bull market, yeah, we're not going to go that low. We're not going to drop $10,000. And look, guys, yes, expect the unexpected. Also, call from the moon, a great call from this shoulder, head and shoulder pattern right over here. If I zoom out here to the 4-hourly chart, which was an incredible call also from Cole. I didn't see any other analysts saying this. You know, we got the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. And then, you know, the measured move from here is getting the top here from the head all the way down to the resistance, okay? And from the breakout, you know, we just almost exactly went to the target, which was an amazing call from him. So, yeah, guys, not too much to add. Let's take a look at the 1-hourly chart quickly here to see, you know, we just need to see a little bit more price action. If I go to the 15-minute chart, you know, could we be potentially, we are bouncing now from the support of this descending wedge on the resistance, as you can see here on the white line. Are we creating like a ascending triangle kind of formation? Potentially, guys, as you can see, let me just get you this box over here. We have clear resistance, okay, round about the $40,000, 40,000, 40,500, and we are creating higher lows here, as you can see on the chart. So, are we going to pop up from here from the $40,000 range? Well, the next major resistance is the $42,000. So it is too soon, guys. We want to see some more price action, but it is looking bullish. You know, there is buying pressure. We are creating higher lows, and we've got a clear resistance at the $40,000, where I have this orange box over here, 40,000, 40,500. So if we do break the 40,500, we could see a jump to the upside, you know, all the way to the $42,000 range. Okay, if you know, we've got clear resistance right over here, support, sorry. It's been support here, just there, okay. So if we break this level where we've created a major resistance, 40,500, you know, we will have a pop to the upside to the $42,500 range, in my opinion, okay. This is where I've got this orange box. So yeah, guys, this is what I got for Bitcoin today, and I'll be updating you. We'll be doing an altcoin video afterwards, so make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel and click the bell notification. And if you want to help out the channel, guys, remember this insane bonus here of VMX, $2,000. You'll be getting an amazing bonus. You'll be helping out the channel, guys. The link is in the description. Let's take a look at Ethereum, because Ethereum also has had this massive drop. Yesterday in the live stream, we were talking about this. I did call this diamond reversal pattern, okay? And the super conservative target is this from this consolidation phase, the leg up into the diamond, okay? And from the breakout, you know, I was expecting a $3,200 range. We met the target here nicely for this one. And I was going to see this as, you know, if this is a diamond reversal pattern, you know, and if you go to the 2-hour chart, for example, there is hardly any retracement here. So is all of this a leg up into the pattern? And then, you know, just by curiosity, when everything happened, obviously, this wasn't a prediction. You know, my price target wasn't gonna be all the way down here. But you know, if you take this from the retracement and all of this, the leg up into the diamond reversal pattern, and then from the breakout, which was right over there, you know, we actually came exactly to this target. You know, because all of, you know, diamond reversal pattern, the target, okay, from the breakout is getting this, you know, the leg into the pattern. Obviously, you will count it from down here because this is a huge retracement. You're not going to come all the way from down here. You count it from the leg up from the retracement. And there's just a little bit of sideways action, but going to the upside here. So you could arguably discuss that this was, you know, a target as well. But you would have thought I was crazy when, you know, seeing Ethereum pumping and this strong going sideways and up, sideways and up. But as you can see, you know, from the breakout here, we actually came all the way down here to the $2,000 range. Absolutely insane. Well, guys, for Ethereum, let's take a look here. Zoom in here for Ethereum on the 1-hourly chart. And we can see that we are getting a little bounce here from the support of this ascending wedge, okay, right over here. And you know, the price is struggling to get inside of the wedge or just over the wedge, just above the $2,700 range. What can we expect for Ethereum? Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Are we going to do like a double bottom scenario or a triple bottom? You know, because obviously the selling pressure is getting exhausted. Okay, there will be some buying pressure coming in. It's going to be sideways action, but you could potentially see this not as an ascending triangle, but as an asymmetrical triangle. Okay, if we add up these levels right over here. Okay, so we've got, you know, this clear support and this clear resistance. Okay, so we are looking to break out from this symmetrical triangle. It is a little bit too soon, but we need to see some more market sentiment. But the measured move from this breakout here on the 15-minute chart, you know, a breakout to the upside could take Ethereum all the way back up to the $3,700 range, and a break to the downside, we could come as low as $1,600. Obviously, we would we'll be getting a bounce at the $2,000 range, okay, because we've created this bottom over here. So obviously, if we break down, I think we'll be getting, you know, a heavy support. We might wick to the downside, but this is the technical move from this symmetrical triangle, okay. It is too soon. I'm not doing any trading at all. I want to see some more price action, guys. Be careful if you are trading with leverage. Don't use too much leverage, because the market with this volatility will absolutely exterminate you. Let's take a look, guys, at this chart over here. Okay, this is the net unrealized profit and loss. Okay, and this is going from all the way 2011 all the way to 2021. Okay, and as you can see, there's red here, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Okay, the blue over here is the euphoria stage, the greed stage. Usually when the market sentiment goes to the euphoria stage, the greed stage, the market has a massive correction. We did not, the green here is the belief denial stage, the yellow is optimism, okay, the red is capitulation. So in the orange, we see the sentiment of the market. And in 2017, you can see the orange here, just about in the middle of the bull run, we were just about getting into the euphoria stage. We did not get into the euphoria stage just yet. But also here in early 2021, we were just about touching the euphoria stage. We did not go into the euphoria stage. And then in 2017, we had a massive correction all the way down to the optimism stage, okay, in the yellow. And then having, you know, these pumps going again to the belief denial stage in the green, all the way up to euphoria. We did not hit the euphoria, and the bull run was continuing, as you can see right over here. So can we expect a bounce now from this stage, the optimism, the anxiety stage in the yellow, and then continue to the upside? Well, if we look at past performance, you know, this is absolutely normal. We have these dips of 40% correction or even 50% correction in 2013. Up to 80% correction we saw, okay, but in 2013 we did go to the euphoria stage, had a massive correction almost to the hope and fear stage, as you can see, and then the bull market continued going all the way to $1,000 here in the black, and then going back to euphoria, and then a huge correction. And in 2017 we did hit the euphoria stage once we hit almost the $20,000. We hit the euphoria stage, we enter a huge bear market, okay, for multiple years. So we did not hit the euphoria stage just yet. A lot of newcomers into the market in 2021, you know, still not buying a huge amount of Bitcoin. They understand that the corrections need to be bought back up. So I do think that this correction is the opportunity to buy more Bitcoin for the mid-long term, okay? This is not the peak of the market, in my opinion. This sentiment needs to go all the way to euphoria stage, okay? Potentially hitting $100,000 or over $100,000 Bitcoin. So this is a very curious chart to see here, data from Glassnode, guys. So I do think that we have several months now still for the bull run. Let's take a look at this tweet here from Raoul Powell. He is comparing the price of 2010 and 2013 in the blue, okay, as you can see here on the chart, and on the white here we can see the Bitcoin price, the current Bitcoin price. So, you know, from 2010 all the way to 2013, you can see that the price action is very, very similar for Bitcoin, with the stage here from 2017 peak in the white you know, and all the way up to here to 2021. And in 2013, we can see we had this huge correction also for Bitcoin. The price went all the way up to $250 approximately, and it went below $100. So doing a massive, more than 80% correction, almost an 80% correction. And now this is the price action that we can see for Bitcoin. We're just having a massive correction. Everybody's panicking. And this is the best moment to scoop up some more Bitcoin because, you know, this is healthy. All these corrections at the end of the day, in the next couple of months, you know, are going to rally sooner rather than later. Yes, we could dip a bit lower, even better to get cheaper Bitcoin. So guys, this is just a quick reminder that we do not have to do the same price action, but the corrections, you know, this 40, 50, 60% correction are absolutely healthy for the market. The same here in this tweet, you know, of Raoul Pal, we can see BTC now versus 2017. So this is 2017 price action. Okay, and now we can see in the white here the 2021 price action. In 2017, we also had these massive 40% corrections. It was a little bit more now in 2021, but this is just to let you know that this is absolutely healthy for the market, guys. We can expect a little bit more correction, sideways action, and then start pumping to the upside. And the next couple of months, in June or July, we could see another, $65,000 Bitcoin breaking all-time high and continuing the bull run, guys. So nothing to worry about, in my opinion. Stay safe, scoop up some Bitcoin. And if you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, make sure to check it out, guys. We've got the latest technical analysis, articles, news here. We've got exchange reviews so you can check out, you know, the different fees and the best bonuses out there. So I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen my Bybit or my PrimeXbt tutorial, there's a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.